Right. Look, my dear student, today we are speaking ninth video images formed by convex lens. This is last video for you. Just remember here how to identify the formation of images. How to identify the formation of images. So look here. I am drawing once again. Questions also I am reading for you. Clearly, object between O and F, center of lens and F. These all lenses are double convex lenses or biconvex lenses. Mean two focuses are there. Focus 1 for lens 1, focus 2 for lens 2, like that. So when object is between center of lenses and focus, so here object is between, here object is there, object center of O and focus between its image, where the image can forms image is same side only, mean front side only. Look here, this is image formed here. How it is forming? Look here, one line going parallel, it is deviating here, this deviating backside, this is called appearing line, and another line going through center of lenses, it will not deviate, so it is also be going back like appearing line. It will meet at one point, both lines, so that point is our image point. This is our image. So image is virtual and erect. Then after, image is magnified too much. Look there. Second, object at focus point F. When object at focus point F, then where the image can forms. Look here. Object at focus point F. So look here, one point is parallel, one line. It is going through focus of this mirror only, second mirror. And here one line is going to straight of the center of lenses. So both lines are not meeting here, so they will meet at infinity. They will meet at infinity, but image is real and inverted. Real and inverted image. And it will meet at infinity, already I told you. And it is highly magnified, too much big. Too much big. Like this, if you draw more, it is goes down. Too much big image you will get. Next here, object between focus point and 2F. Focus point 1, focus point 2 are there now. Between of two focus points, when object is kept, look here, 2F1, F1. This is object. When you keep objects there, then look here, one parallel line and one is the center point of lenses. So center point of lenses, which line going, it will not deviate anywhere. And when line going through parallel to principal axis, then it compulsory goes from focus point of that mirror. So when it is going, look here, it is meeting here. So when object is between F1 and 2F1, the image can forms after 2F2. Look here, beyond 2F2. Image is enlarged. And which type of image you will get? Real and inverted. Already I told you what is the meaning of inverted many times. If you forget, I can't do anything. Look here, next. Object fourth point. When object is at 2F, at a focus 2, when object is kept at focus, second point 2F1, then how they will useful? Look here. First object, this type of mirror using in microscopes, please underline. Next, magnified mirrors. Look here, second type of object, this type of mirrors are using in searching lights, torch lights. Next, this type of lenses using in optical projector mean eye lenses direct, and object at 2F1. So this type of lenses using for terrestrial telescopes, which we will look inside celestial bodies looking purpose. Next, look here, So here when one line is going parallel, one line is going through center line going and touching. Look here, 2f1, it will forms its image at 2f2. So object is, for example, 5 centimeter, image also become 5 centimeter. So here at 2f2 image will form, and same sized, how much size is belonging to object, that much size we will get the image. This is real and inverted, please keep it in your mind. Next, what is there? Object at object beyond 2f, I mean second focus point backside when object is kept. These types of mirrors are using in photo cameras. In photography cameras we will use backside of the it is beyond 2f. So here 2f, for example, look here, beyond 2f. Then object beyond 2f between f and 2f2. Look here, please. 2f2. So object beyond 2f, when it will forms its image between f and 2f, I mean f2 and 2f2, between of f2 and 2f2 image will form here, formed. Look here. And what type of image that is? Look here, real and inverted, and it is diminished image. Diminished means small. Next, when object is at infinity, then this type of mirrors we are, lenses we are using for burning glasses, magnify lens. Object at infinity, infinity mean not here exactly, infinity mean again far away, then its image can forms at a focus point. Look here, f2. So here this is 2f1 and 2f1 but light. So when object is at infinity, its image can forms at f2, and that is real and inverted, highly diminished, very small, and at a f, that is at a focus point. Next, look here. Look, my dear student, here we are speaking which is remaining concave, double concave mirrors, I mean biconcave mirrors. Object at anywhere on principal axis, object at anywhere, we are not showing particular place, take anywhere. So when that object at anywhere on principal axis, it will forms its image compulsory between f and o. Look here, between f and o. This is parallel line, this is center line. Center line cannot deviate, parallel line compulsory should deviate, and it will appears to deviate near focus, to focus. And look here, it is virtual and erect. Second point is that it is diminished, means small. Third point is that between f and o, already I told you. Second, object at infinity. Object at infinity, anywhere object on the line, it will form there. Object at infinity, then where it will form? Look here, object at infinity, then deviating. Look there, both are parallel lines we have taken, and this line is appearing to meet at a focus, this line also be appearing meet at a focus. So here, my dear student, image can forms at a focus. First point, image forms at focus, and it is virtual and erect, and it is highly diminished, very small, remember. And here this mirror can use for correction of myopia eye problem, and this correction can use for Galilean telescope, mean telescopes purpose. Next point, lens formula, not mirrors, please keep it in your mind. Lens formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Here f is equal to focal length, v is equal to image distance, u is equal to object distance. So magnification for lens is equals to magnification equation, that is important. Look here, magnification equation, capital M is equal to height of image by height of object, is equals to distance of image by distance of object. Both are same. nothing to worry. And magnification of mirror side, when you are speaking from mirror side, then m is equal to minus v by u. And when you are looking magnification of lens, for lens purpose, when you are looking, m is equal to v by u. There is no minus. Why here particularly minus I mentioned? Mean compulsory the images forms right side, left side, images can forms left side here. Next, power of lens. Power of lens is nothing but this is calculating the lens power. Power of lens, how to calculate? Look here. Ability of lens to converge. Ability, look here, power of lens is equal to ability of lens to converge or diverge the rays. When you are looking here, power of lens P is equal to 1 by f, focal length. When you are taking focal length in meters, 1 by f. If you take in centimeter, P is equal to 100 by f in centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. For that formula wise, unit is equal to, unit of power of lens is diopters. In diopters we can measure the lens power. Here next, for converge lens mean convex lens. Please keep it in here, shortly I written. Convex lens, diopter is positive plus, and for diverge lens, concave lens purpose, diopter is negative. Please keep it in your mind. Look my dear students, here sign convention for convex lens and concave lens. Sign convention. Here this is convex lens, this is concave lens. Look here, up of this side, the side, upside I am telling. Upside is we are calling positive, downside we are call negative. And here right side we will call positive, left side we will call negative. Signs I am telling you. This side image form, then minus image. This side image form, then plus image, like that. And my dear student, here u, it is the distance of object. U is equal to always negative, mean that side it will be. Next, f, focal length is equal to always positive, means it will form this side. And here virtual erect image will form. Virtual erect image. Next, what is there? Look here. Distance of image is equal to negative for lens purpose, and distance of image is equal to positive for mirror purpose. When you are looking real and inverted image, then magnification equation m is equal to real and inverted is always negative. And here magnification is equal to virtual and erect purpose positive. If you tells virtual and erect, compulsory it will be form positive side, either that is upside or right side, compulsory. Right? And downside concave mirror. Look here, concave mirror also be same, center line also be there. Same, right side positive, left side negative, upside positive, downside negative. And here what I am telling you, distance of object is equal to negative, always negative, because that is that side only. And focal length always negative. Please keep it in your mind. Right? Next, object image will form this side na, that side na. Object mean this side, image will that side. Okay. Image negative, virtual erect purpose, and image positive, that is when real and inverted purpose. Here real and inverted also be there, virtual and erect also be there. Please keep it in your mind. Right? Any doubts are there, you just ask me, nothing to worry.